Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about control flow in JavaScript, part of web technologies course. JavaScript provides other control flow statements for different types of decision making and looping. While loop. This loop repeatedly executes a block of code as long as specified condition is true. For example, this code will repeatedly execute the block of code inside the while loop and print the value of count to the console as long as the value of the count is less than 5. Do while loop. This is similar to the while loop, but the block of code is executed at least once before the condition is checked. For example, this code will execute the block of code inside the do while loop and print the value of count to the console at least once and then check the condition. If it is true, it will repeat the execution. For loop is used to execute a block of code a specified number of times. For example, this code will execute the block of code inside the for loop and print the value of I to the console for 5 times. For off loop. This is used to iterate over the elements of an iterable, example, an array, a string, etc. For example, this code will execute the block of code inside the for off loop and print the value of color to the console for each element of the array colors. It is important to use the correct control flow statement or loop for the task at hand and to use them in a structured and readable way to make your code easy to understand and maintain. It is also important to keep in mind that infinite loops and loops with large number of iterations can cause performance issues and should be avoided if possible. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.